We'll guide you through how to generate funny responses with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopena.com to access ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start typing your queries to generate funny responses. You need to be clear and creative with your prompts. Type something like "tell me a joke about cats" or "what's a funny way to describe a rainy day." You can also use more specific prompts like "imagine a world where dogs rule the planet." How would they handle a pizza delivery? The key is to give ChatGPT enough context to work with while leaving room for creativity. If you want to refine the humor style, you can specify that too. For instance, you might say, "give me a dad joke about computers," or "craft a pun about coffee." If the response is not quite what you expected, try rephrasing your prompt or adding more details. You can also use the thumbs up or down icons next to the responses to give feedback, which helps improve future interactions. Play around with different styles and topics to see what gets the best laughs. Remember, the more specific and imaginative you are, the better ChatGPT can generate humorous content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.